How are you? So how can you make cartoon animation like this for your YouTube channel? If you don't know, stay with me to learn how to do it. So let's start with the video.
You have to type on Google, Adobe Animation YouTube free, and you have to click on the first link. And here below you have to click on Make an Animation for YouTube here, and here the animation tool will open in front of you. By the way, I have given its link in the description. By clicking on it, you can come directly above the tool. So here there are 3 options for making animation: character, background, and size. Now here you can also see the characters. You can animate all these characters over any audio file. So let's see how we create our first animation. So first of all, we have to go to size option, and here you can see that all social media sizes are available here. For example, if I click on Instagram, and here's the size of the videos on Instagram. Now if I want to make a video for YouTube, I will click on YouTube. We'll select its size. After that, now I will come in the background. You can upload any image from inside your mobile phone or laptop by clicking on the upload image here. Apart from such backgrounds, many backgrounds are given here by default. You can also use them. Apart from this, if you do not like any of these backgrounds, then you can also use green screen here. The advantage of green screen is that by taking this video in any video editing software, removing the green screen, you can add any background according to your requirement. Now here for example I add any background, and then we have to come above the character. Now there are a lot of characters here. You can select the character you like best or according to your requirement. So I select this character for example. After that here you can also resize it. You can make it smaller or bigger, according to your requirement. After that there are 2 audio options here. You can record it live by clicking on record here. That is, whatever you say inside the mic by clicking on the record, it will do it accordingly. Apart from this, if you want you can select any audio file from your PC or mobile phone by clicking on it. Now I will upload my audio file by simply pressing this button. So after uploading whatever you want. Now here it will take some time. After that your video will be ready. All the silence area, you can remove it from here. After removing, you can also check its preview. After that you can also download this video from here. But when you start downloading, it will ask you for an account. Before that you can create your account by clicking here on this website, or you can log in with Gmail. I have my account already logged in. That's why it will start downloading. By the way, till now this tool is absolutely free and you can make as many videos as you want. For now, if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up. You can subscribe to this channel for such videos like this. Thanks for watching.